Hey guys, welcome back to another video on Rachel and Ryan. So today I am here with the new iPad Air. But before this video starts, make sure you hit the subscribe button. It's going to be right up here. And also like and share this video. Thanks, that will be very appreciated. So also follow us on Instagram at Rachel and Ryan YouTube. And don't forget to comment down below if you have any iPads. So let's get on with the video. So this right here is the iPad Air 3 if you want to call it, but this is basically the iPad Air 2019. This is the 64 gigabyte one. It comes in 64 gigabytes and 256 gigabytes. And today we are doing an unboxing and a short review comparison with this and the older version that I have, the 2017 iPad Air 2. And right now, it came out in March of 2019, which was a decent while back. But we have it now, so this is the gold. It comes in gold, silver, and space gray. So the new one is this one. This is the gold. So let's open it and unbox. Always a nice experience unboxing with Apple. They're always fun. So let's see what we got here. Here is the iPad Air 3 2019. Boom, bop. So let's try to open it as we see and find out what's inside the box. Here is the front side of the case. Oh, nice. So here it is. Looks like it's pink, but it's actually gold. That says iPad Air, sides, Apple logo. That's the box, front box. Put that to the side. There. And here we go, and right outside is the iPad Air. So let's take this out. Whoops. Boom. Take that out. Here it is. So here's the iPad Air 2019. Put that on the side. And oops, and inside the box here, saw it drop out earlier, is the 16-watt charger, typical for iPad Airs. This is actually still the USB one, not the new USB-C. So if you have the Thunderbolt ports adapters, that's still good. Have that. Then here you got the typical manual, side, stickers, iPad Air, and then you also got, what else you got here? Here's the stickers, still the normal gray, and that's it for that. Let's put that in the middle there. Nice stickers, still have these, and after that, we have inside is this. So here, it's the Thunderbolt to USB. That's it for the box. So the iPad Air also comes in two different forms. The cellular models. That one, we don't have that one. We got the normal one for regular price. Starts at $4.99. And the cellular models is around like $120 more than the regular models. So let's take a close-up of what we all got right now. So here, close-up, got case right here, all nice. And here, got the iPad Airs, got another slip, got the instruction manual. So here, the basic instructions, everyone basically knows how to use an iPad. So don't need that. There it is, lightning connector and smart connector, use the 3 dots. Got the stickers close up on this. Nice. Very nice. You can put it on anything you want. Just the case, you put in all of these. Don't need to see that. And here we got all this stuff still over here. And here's the charger. Yep. Nice. I think it's still like, I don't know how long it is, like a meter, maybe 2. And here's the 16-watt normal charger, very small still. That bigger and more faster than the normal iPhones. So, and now for the actual product you all want to see, if you're actually watching this, is the iPad. So here we have the iPad Air. This is not the cellular, because the cellular would have some small antennas on the back. This is the gold version. If you put it directly under light, it seems a little more pink. And yeah, so let's open this guy up. Oh, sorry, you missed it. ASMR. Right there. Oh, that was not good. And here it is. Here is the iPad Air. This is it. So right now we're going to do a comparison to the other one. This still has the home button, has the bezels on the sides, still like the normal iPad Airs from the past. Does not have Face ID still, like the iPad Pros and some of the iPhones, but let's compare it right now to the iPad Air, the second version, 2017. So before we talk about this new iPad Air and compare it to the old iPad Air, I have to tell you that this is a 10.5-inch diagonal LED backlit multi-touch display. So that's much bigger than my old iPad, and we'll do a full comparison soon. And it's 2224 by 1668 resolution at 264 pixels per inch, and it has a wide color, true tone, and retina display, and it has a fingerprint resistant coating, so basically it disappears. And it has fully laminated display, which means that there's no more air sidings right here. And it also has 1.8% reflectivity and 500 nits of brightness, and it also supports Apple Pencil, which is cool as well. The side buttons of this is two volume and speaker buttons on the right. Still, nice camera on the back, and it still has a 3.3mm headphone jack. At the bottom is two speakers. Compared to the iPad Pro, the new one that has 4 speakers, this one only has 2 on the bottom. So that's a difference for the iPad Pro, but that's not what we're doing. Still has Thunderbolt 3. So right here, I have my old iPad, right here. This is the 2017 iPad Air 2. And after that, they took a break before releasing any more iPads. And now, it's 2019, they released it. So here you go. Here's them side by side. I don't know how I'm going to do it. Side by side, right there. And comparison to the size, this one is much bigger, if you can tell. Here we have it, side by side. So you can see, it's much taller. Right here, you can tell. It's already much taller. And if we do a side-by-side comparison, it's already much, much bigger than my older one. So you can see right there, it's around like 0.03 or something inches, or like milliliters bigger than the older one. As you can see, this one is the silver. So this is actually editing me right now. I just wanted to let you know that my iPad is actually a space gray one. Sorry for that. It's not silver. And I also said that it's in 2017. It was discontinued in 2017, or like it stopped making, but it was released back in 2014. I'm pretty sure I got it between like 2016 to 2017. So yeah, so let's get back on the video. Sorry. Of the iPad, and this is the gold. Oh no. Here, you can see it. Now comparing the cameras, this one is much better than this one. You can also tell how big it is compared to here. So that difference. iPad logo is still on the same, or Apple logo is always on the same middle side. These are looking fresh. The camera, it's a little bit better compared to this one, but nothing too special, nothing too new about it. And now let's get into full-on specs. So the iPad Air 2 has a 9.6 inch height and a 6.6 inch, 9.4 inch height and a 6.6 inch width, with the iPad Air 3 comparing with the 9.8 inch height and a 6.8 inch width. They both have a depth of 0.24, so that's all the same. And this one here, the iPad Air 2, has not 0.96 pound air, 0.96 pounds, weighs 0.96 pounds, while this here, iPad Air 3, has it's a 1 pound device. Another difference is this is the A8X chip they're using here, the processor, while this is the A12 chip. Here on the newer iPad 13, iPad Air 3. Considering the resolution, this right here, the iPad Air 2, has a 2048 by 1536 resolution, while this here, iPad Air 3, has a 2224 by 1668 resolution. Both have a 264 ppi. And yeah, so that's how the performance is of these two. They are very, very well done. This one is a little bit older, so I can't say that, but this one's very well done. It could even be the lighter version of the iPad Pro if you don't need all that and you don't want to spend that much. I'd say you should get this iPad Air, because this is definitely out of the game. Okay. It's definitely out of the game, so definitely would recommend this to anyone if you're looking for a good performance. It even includes that. It even has compatibility with the Apple Pencil, so it's basically like the iPad Pro, but a little lighter, because consider it's an Air, so like MacBook Pro, MacBook Air. This is very good still, has the good performance. And yeah, so to end this review of the iPad Air 3 or iPad Air 2019, I'd say that this is a great iPad, not just for like beginning or like anything. It's a good work laptop too. Has a nice compatibility with the Apple Pencil, as you can see, so you can work on it, draw on it, design on it. It's a great working laptop as well. Just like the MacBook Pro and the MacBook Air, this is the iPad Air, and it's like the same performance, but like a little lighter, because of course it's an Air, and it's still a little bit old-fashioned, but still has a good pack for the punch. And yeah, so this is a short review of the iPad Air, and I would highly recommend it. So thanks so much for watching this short unboxing and a little review / comparison to this guy right here, the iPad Air 2, compared to the iPad Air 3 2019 iPad Air that came out in March. So thanks so much for watching this short review. It wasn't really that short, but whatever. So thanks so much for watching. Make sure you hit the like and share, hit the like button and share this video. Also make sure to subscribe and subscribe again and again on many different accounts. Also follow us on Instagram, on Rachel and Ryan YouTube, and don't forget to comment down below whatever you want to comment, besides what I said to you to comment in the beginning of this video. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and until next time, see you later.